Hey guys, it's me Kelly and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup look, just a chill get ready with me, and then I'm going to do a giveaway, so make sure you stay till the end. You're not gonna wanna miss it. It's a bunch of free makeup, over $300. Since I'm not going anywhere really at all for this get ready with me, I'm just gonna do a fun look, blues and purples, you know. I have the blue lights on. Doing my makeup right now is not a great idea because I'm in college, if you didn't know. I'm a freshman and college is hard. A lot of homework, a lot of quizzes. I've been doing homework all day, every day without a break. And I just want to have a little fun time to do a makeup look. Especially because today I actually was on a 3-hour Zoom call for my coding class. I do not know how people talk and do their makeup at the same time. It's so hard. My eyebrows look so bad. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go off camera and then fix these. I did my eyebrows, but I don't love them. I haven't done makeup in actually a pretty long time. 2 weeks, 3 weeks. School is just very time consuming and some classes are very difficult. I never used these before, so it's gonna be fun. I used to do makeup looks for my enjoyment. But now, when I want to do a makeup look, I'm wait, should I film this? Should I make a pictorial? Should I make a TikTok? There's so much, things that I should consider. Because after I finish my makeup look, I'm just oh, I should have done this. So it's a little, it takes up a lot more time and energy than to just do, a simple look. Right now, I'm filming this look, and now I'm contemplating, should I do a pictorial with it? Or maybe, an Instagram video? No, because if I do a pictorial, that means I'll have to stop this video camera and I'll have to take pictures. So I might just do an Instagram video. So, yeah. I have no idea why the audio just cut out in the middle of the video. It was literally one video. And half of it, the audio is missing. But basically, I'm just saying how this is so pretty. I was really trying to make this video more of a chit chat instead of just a tutorial or whatever I usually do, and then this happens right when I try, it just cuts off. Oh, what I was saying here was that I never used their color bases before, but I used their paints and they're so good. I have 2 extras from the prize I won since I bought some before, and those are included in the giveaway. So I'm just reminding you to stay to the end for a chance to win P.louise products, which are kind of expensive. And now I'm showing you the palette that I used. This is from an Instagram shop called Gourmand Girls. Their products are so good and so pigmented. I actually have a code with them, Kelly Cha. You could get 20% off, I think. Now I'm just grabbing the purple to deepen up the crease. I have no idea what I'm saying in this part. Right here, I'm saying how filming YouTube videos of me doing my makeup is so hard because my mirror is far away and I have to stay in frame. I don't know how other people do it, but I have to go close to the mirror to see what I'm doing. Otherwise, it all ends up really messy and bad. This is looking a little batchy. I literally just got a light shadow and used this brush, this P.louise brush. 1172 Lost in My Blend on the edges, and it just made everything so much smoother. I'm gonna cut my crease with some Vaseline. The way it really works is that the Vaseline has oil in it, so it breaks down makeup underneath so that your cut crease is super sharp. Also, sorry if there's a bunch of background noise of leaf blower, chainsaw, that kind of stuff. Literally my neighbors have been cutting down trees and making all this noise for the past 4 days, and I'm really tired of it. I'm trying to do work and it's oh my gosh, this is brand new, and there's so much air in here before there's actually product. I just closed it and there's that dip right there already. It's whatever. It would be so cool if I drew butterfly wings right there. Should I do that? Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go all out. Hopefully, I don't take too long because I still have a lot of homework, but it's a Saturday, so I still have another day. But let me do this other eye off camera, and then I'll worry about the butterfly wings later. I'm going to be so sad if I mess this up because I could literally stop here, blend it in, add some sparkles and glitter, and it'll be a good look. But I want to make it a little extra. So if I mess it up, I'm gonna be so sad. Also, I just realized that on my Instagram, I posted a blue and purple look. Like, that was my latest post. So I'm gonna have this one now, and I just don't like how I did like the same colors in a row. So I might like save this post for later and then do a different post in between. Gotta use eyeliner. I need to hold my breath. Ready? Okay, I got a really thin line going. It's getting there, it's getting there. The lines are gonna be so, ooh, the lines. Okay, so I got something going. I don't think this eyeliner is that great for this because it's not opaque. It low-key looks really ugly, oh my gosh. Ugh, I wish I didn't do this. I regret it. I already did one side, so I have to do the other now. I hate this. I hate this. This is so ugly. So, I guess this is like content for YouTube, but I'm not gonna post this on my Instagram. I'm so disappointed in myself. But I feel like I can make it work. I feel like I could like still do something. I'm gonna make the white dots. Maybe that will make it come together. Maybe rhinestones will help. Or actually, I'm going to try getting a darker blue and like going like in it a little bit, see what happens. And then I'm going to redo the lines a little bit so it looks a little darker. I don't want to use a lot of foundation today. Also, let me know what kind of makeup tutorial you guys want down below, like makeup looks you want to do, because I don't really know what people want. So I know you guys really like my cloud makeup look, so I might do like some creative like look tutorials too. But I know the majority of you guys, oops, don't really do a lot of creative makeup and you're more into like natural or like glam makeup. I wish I could just like have a following like James Charles and just do whatever I want and then everyone will still watch me. That's the goal. I feel like I could have just done like a natural get ready with me for this video, but I just felt like I wanted to do something creative today. I was gonna go like creative simple by just doing the half cut crease with like cool colors, but then I did this butterfly. It actually looks good now. I've never seen this error message before, but I think my camera's overheating. There's a countdown. It's 15 seconds. I don't know if I get to finish this video. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna brush off my bake now. Okay, so my camera had a little moment. While that was happening, I just put on some blush, and now I'm gonna put on some highlight. I have this Pop Beauty highlighter. It's purple, so that matches perfectly. Put some on my forehead to look all glowy. Oh, I put too much. Okay, wait. My forehead is purple. Whatever, let me just get over with this makeup look. So I just put some purple on my lower lash line, not too much, but I also want to put this in my waterline to make it like pop a bit. Ooh, okay. I'm like almost done. Just lashes and lips, that's it, that's it. That's all I need to do left. I'm using the lashes Cloud 9 because these are a little lighter, they're not as dramatic, and I want people to see my hard work. Alright, and now here is the finished look. I had zero faith in this before, but now I actually really like it. I think it looks so cool. It grew on me, definitely. Putting on my earrings because I have butterfly ones and it kind of matches. Now it's time for the giveaway. In this video, you'll see everything you're gonna win this giveaway. Everything in here is worth over $300. One person will win all these items, and this giveaway is international. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, comment below why you want to win this giveaway and your Instagram handle, and then go over to my Instagram post of this giveaway and make sure you follow those directions, which are just to like tag someone below. If you want to know how to enter multiple times with extra entries, make sure you check out the rules in the description box. The winner will be picked randomly from the comment section of this YouTube video, so make sure you comment why you want to win the giveaway along with your Instagram handle, because I will go to your Instagram and DM you if you win. But I will also check if you are following my makeup Instagram and you follow the rules. If you win, make sure you reply to my DMs within 24 hours, because if you don't, then I'm going to have to pick a new random winner. Here's a closer look at the products you will win in the giveaway. First up, we got this Bossy Girl Cosmetics lashes. These are 3D silk in the style Newport. We got 2 Milani liquid eyeliners, 2 Milani brow pencils, 2 Milani weekend brows. These are like liquid. 1 P.louise base. This one I'm going to DM the winner for their shade because I have every single shade over here. We got the P.louise acid rain paints. This one is blank canvas and this one is nitro. 2 Milani fruit fetish setting sprays. These smell so good. 4 Milani palettes. 4 fruit fetish lip balms. Milani eyeshadow primer. We have this ice pack thing for your eyes. Pixie primer. Mermaid Scales glitter. Trifle Cosmetics eyeshadow. This is the color Pink and Gold. The My Melody X Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. And last but definitely not least, the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette. This giveaway ends November 11th, 2020. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Good luck if you enter the giveaway, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!